Collins Jumaisi, the prime suspect in the gruesome murders of at least 42 women whose bodies were found in the Kware area of Embakasi, has escaped from Nairobi's Gigiri police station. The escape, which also involved 12 other detainees, including Eritrean nationals held for illegal immigration, has sent shockwaves through the country. According to a police report, the escape occurred around 5 a.m. during a routine check by the officer in charge, who was accompanied by the canteen manager to serve breakfast to the suspects. Upon opening the cell door, the officers were horrified to discover that the 13 detainees had fled by cutting through the wire mesh at the basking bay of the cell. The incident has prompted immediate action from top law enforcement officials. Acting Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja and Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, Chief Amin Mohammed quickly arrived at Gigiri Police Station to assess the situation and coordinate the manhunt for the escaped suspects. Jumaisi's escape is particularly alarming given the severity of the charges he faces. He had been in custody awaiting arraignment in court for a plea hearing. His case had drawn significant public attention after he confessed to the brutal murders of 42 women between 2022 and 2024, including his own wife, whom he allegedly strangled, dismembered, and disposed of at a dump site in Kware. However, Jumaisi later recanted his confession, claiming that he had been tortured by police into admitting to the murders. This claim has added a layer of complexity to the case, raising questions about the conduct of the investigation and the circumstances surrounding his confession. The escape has sparked widespread concern and outrage, particularly among the families of the victims, who are now left in fear and uncertainty. The police have launched a nationwide manhunt for Jumaisi and the other escaped detainees, appealing to the public for any information that could lead to their capture. The incident has also raised serious questions about the security and management of police detention facilities in Kenya. The fact that such a high-profile suspect was able to escape has exposed potential lapses in the system, prompting calls for an immediate review of security protocols at police stations across the country. As the manhunt continues, the public and the authorities alike are left grappling with the implications of Jumaisi's escape, both for the justice system and for the safety of the community. The situation remains tense, with many hoping for a swift resolution and the recapture of the suspects.